This video right here is about Larry Hoover, 73 years old, former leader of the Gangster Disciples, also vice president of the Black Gangster Disciple Nation. He been incarcerated for 51 years, man. 51 years. He got locked up for ordering a hit in 1973 and was sentenced to 150 to 200 years in the Illinois prison system. And then in 1998, the feds hit him with some more charges because they claim he ran $100 million a year drug business, also had thousands of gangsters on the streets working for him. And in 98, he got another life sentence, you know what I'm saying, for running a criminal enterprise. He got an upcoming court date, September 26th. His lawyer trying to get him out. He gonna be present in a rare appearance for a compassionate release because of his age, also because his health has deteriorated. So they saying when y'all do see him, y'all ain't gonna see the old Larry Hoover. Y'all gonna see a very frail old man, you know. But hopefully they let him out, you know what I'm saying. I feel like 2 life sentences, you know, he paid his debts to society or whatever you want to call it. He didn't even do the hit. He didn't do it. He ordered it. So, you know, it's crazy. 51 years. But let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Hit that like, share, subscribe. This Made Media Magazine. Let me know if y'all think Larry Hoover gonna be released or if y'all think he gonna stay up in there, man. I want to hear y'all
Make sure you go
comments.
ahead, Nene
Also,
Marie
make sure you
37 in
smash
her
that like
inbox if
button.
you want a signed
Shout
copy
out to the
of
Mod
my
Squad.
book,
I'm
man.
out.